Okay. Uh, First, we'll see about binary parallel adder. Binary parallel adder. So, binary parallel adder means we have to use full adders. So, for this one, it is a 4-bit by a binary parallel adder. So, we require 4 full adder. So, these are the A is one binary number, B is another 4-bit binary number. So, the 4-bit means A0, A1, A2, A3. It is one 4-bit. B0, B1, B2, B3 is the another uh, 4-bit. So, these two 4 bits are added using a separate full adder. Okay, then full adder means we'll get sum and carry. So what will happen first? A naught B naught will be added. We'll get the sum here. The carry will goes to the carry generated for the first one will move to the next full adder. Then after that A1 B1 will be added. Then we'll get sum S1. That carry C1 will go to the next full adder. And similarly A2 B2 will be summed using C1. Then S2 and C2 will be produced. The C2 will go to the next full adder. Then we'll get S3 and C3. So this is the process for a binary parallel adder. So then we'll see what is the drawback of this method. Okay. Binary parallel adder. The drawback is time required for uh, carry to propagate or ripple through all the stages of adder. That means what happened first, this A naught B naught will be added, then the carry will be generated. After that only A1 B1 and C naught will be added, then will produce S1, then the C1 will be produced. After C1 will be produced, then this will be added, then we'll get S2 and C2. So this is the carry is propagated. So once if C0 is completed, then only we can get S1. Once if C1, if you got C1, then only we can do S2. Then so it is taking time, taking is high because of the carry is propagated. This is the drawback. So what we have to do to speed up this carry to make lesser time, so we need a carry look herder. That is the another topic. So this is a binary parallel. The drawback is the carry is propagated. Because of that, it takes more time. So to avoid that, we are going for a carry look ahead. So another way we can say look ahead carry header. So the both the way we can say that we can pronounce carry look ahead, and we can say other name is look ahead carry header. So in faster adder, the ripple carry delay is eliminated. So using this one, the ripple carry delay is eliminated. Uh, we are going for a carry will be generated and propagated. So for that one, first you have to see the full adder using half adder. So this we already studied. This is one half adder. This is the another half adder. So using both half adder, we can get a full adder circuit. So this circuit we already studied. Using this circuit only, we are going to study about the carry look adder. Okay. So now we'll go to the carry look adder. The full adder takes long time due to ripple carry delay. Already I told. So in carry look adder, the ripple carry delay is eliminated based on the inputs either by carry generated or carry propagation. Okay, so now we are going to analyze the full adder circuit. That means two half adders. That means this is one half adder and this is the another half adder. Combinedly, we can get full adder. So this circuit we already studied. So now we'll elaborately we are going to we find out the equation for the circuit. So for this CI is nothing but it is connected to one is GI that is added with this AND gate. So first we'll see the AND gate output. The AND gate output is PI Then this is Ci minus 1. So Pi multiplication C minus 1 plus Gi. That is nothing but Ci. See, Ci is Ai Bi plus Bi Ci minus 1. That means Gi. So this Gi, no? So here this is Gi. So Ci is Gi plus Pi Ci minus 1. So this Gi is nothing but output of this AND gate. So what is that one? This is AND gate means multiplication. No? So Gi is equal to Ai into Bi. So that Ai is multiplied here. So G instead of Gi, we are written Ai Bi. Otherwise, we can write Gi plus Pi Ci minus 1. Okay. And similarly, sum Si. So sum Si is nothing but Pi and Ci minus 1. Pi XOR with Ci minus 1. So Si, it is Pi XOR with Ci minus 1. So we find out the equation. Now we are going to find out, substitute one by one. First Ci, instead of I, we'll substitute 1. So we'll get C1, Gi means G1, Pi means P1, Ci minus 1. So 1 minus 1, you will get C0. Then next C2, we are going to substitute C2. So you will get G2 plus P2 C1. So instead of that C1, already we know what is C1. That C1 we can substitute here. Then next C3. So C3 also same thing. G3 plus P3 C2. So this C2, you have to expand the C2 and you have to substitute here and you will get C3. After that C4. C4 also same thing. C3 will get that. C3 you have to substitute here. So you will get the expression for C4. And similarly, this circuit, that is Si. Si is Pi XOR Ci minus 1. No? So that also you have to substitute. S1, that is P1 XOR C0, S2 P2 XOR C1, S3 P3 XOR C2, S4 P4 XOR C3. So this is a 4-bit, no? So 4 sum, S1, S2, S3, S4. The sum of 4-bit and the carry of the 4-bit is C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay. So this C1, C2, C3, C4 are generated according to the above expression. So this expression we are generated so that the delay will be eliminated. So this is the carry look herder circuit. So what is the circuit? So we have to first generate P4, G4. So P4 means A4, XOR. P4 is A4, B4, XOR gate and AND gate, that is G4. So here you already studied here the first circuit, no? So this one. PIGA. So XOR gate and this is AND gate. So separately we have to generate for P4, G4, similarly P3, G3, P2, G2, P1, G1. So then carry, the initial carry C0, you can get it here. Then the final C4. Here it is not S5, it is C4 only here. So from the circuit, what is S4? S4 is P4 XOR with C3. So P4 is P4 XOR with C3. The P4 means from here we can get the P4 here. So internally it will be connected. So this P4 we can get it here. So P4 XOR C3 you will get S4. And similarly P3 C2. P3 XOR C2 S3. And similarly C0 alone we can take it from here. So this is the carry look herder circuit. So the total time delay for a 4-bit triple carry adder is 8 plus 2 gate levels. In carry look herder, it has reduced to 4 gate levels by carrying generation propagation. So because of this one, the 4 gates are reduced by using a carry look herder. That is the advantage compared to a normal 4-bit binary adder. Okay.